How to assemble an 8-shelf multipurpose organizer. Take two clear square panels and connect the connectors to them. Attach the rectangular panels vertically to the base as marked with connectors on both ends for the panel. To create shelves or partitions, clip the buckle locks onto the rectangular panels. Make sure buckles are placed on both sides evenly for proper support. Place the wide square panels on top of the buckles. This will act as the shelf. Finally, close the unit by adding rectangular panels to the back and wide square panels to the top. Use a hammer to secure all joints for added stability. Follow the same steps to assemble the remaining sections and build the complete rack. Once the structure is complete, install the doors by snapping them into the connectors securely. Your BOXJOY 8-shelf multipurpose organizer is now ready.